All right, so today for this mixed probabilities, it's just four questions covering the last four probabilities we did. So get to it. Just like the other ones, number one here is like the one on your quiz, just numbers will be different, so be careful about that. So a carnival game uses a big wheel, 80 spaces, five different colors, red, blue, white, purple, green. There's your payoffs. If the game cost $7, we're going to take care of that at the end. What's the expected value? Because remember, expected value is that chart. Ooh, not a great chart, but you have red, blue, white, purple, green. So your chart needs two things. The value, so we're going to go with these values. Red is 0, blue is $3, white you win 9, 16, and 22. And then their probability. And since there's 80 spaces, 35 are red, 35 out of 80, and 20 are blue, so 20 out of 80. There are 15 out of 80 white. There are 9 out of 80 that are purple and 1 out of 80 that's green. And then you're going to multiply and add them all up. And then since the game costs $7 to play, at the end, I'm going to subtract 7 to get the expected value. You have to subtract out that cost. All right, so we'll go on over to Desmos and put that in. Remember, it's value times probability, 35 out of 80, plus the next value is $3 times its probability, 20 out of 80. Remember to get out of the denominator before you end the parenthesis, plus the next one is 9, 15 divided by 80, plus 16 was the next value, and there were 9 out of 80, plus 22, 1 out of 80. So after you find those, since the game cost $7, you would take that value minus the $7. So you actually have a negative expected value. So it'd be negative 2.4875. So negative 2.4875. So if it comes out to be negative, don't forget to put that in your answer. If it doesn't come out to be negative, if it's positive, then don't worry about it. All right. Number 2 on the quiz goes back to the combinatorics. A math class with 27 students has 12 honor students among them. If the teacher selects a group of 6 students, what's the probability the group has exactly 4 honor students? So starting with the denominator, there are 27 students, and she wants to select a group of 6. Those students are separated into 2 groups, honors and not. And it says she has 12 that are honor students, and we want the probability that she gets 4 of those. So if 12 out of 27 are honors, then 27 minus 12, that's 15 are not. If she wants a group of 6 and 4 of them are honors, 2 are not. And then that will go into Desmos. Okay, that one. For this, start a fraction. You want to choose, and it was 12 comma 4 times the other choose is the other 15 comma 2 students there. And the denominator, choose the 12 and the 15, that's the 27 students. And 4 and 2 is the group of 6. So the probability is 0.1756. 1756. Point 1756. All right. The third one goes back to your conditional probability with the word given. So it has the chart, math, science, and English, senior, junior. Let's fix this. This should say sophomore. Not going to hurt our problem, but all right. Given a student selected is a senior. So you're only looking at this group since that's the given statement. So given it's a senior means our denominator is just going to be those seniors. So 23, 24, 21, 8, 6. So the denominator is the 68 seniors. What's the probability that they're in the science club? So just looking at that group, that's the 24 of them that are in the science club. So over to Desmos. What is 24 divided by 68? 0.3529. 0.3529. Done. 4 decimal places. Good. So just make sure you're doing the given it's a senior. And then the fourth problem on here goes back to the binomials we just did. Jenny's batting average is a 381. What's the probability she gets 5 hits in her next 12 at bats? So your combination would be 12 choose 5 times the probability that she gets the hit, 0.381, and we want 5 of those. And then the probability, remember, subtract this from 1, and that will give you 619. And if she gets 5 hits out of 12, she's gonna get an out 7 times. And then into Desmos. Over to Desmos, clear that. Start with your combination, 12 comma 5. The probability she gets hit 381 to the 5th power. The probability she does not get a hit, 0.619. Maybe she gets walked to the 7th power. That's it. 2214. 0.2214. So that's it. Just 4 questions. Do those, get another 100%, get that grade up. And that's it for the mixed probabilities. Good luck and have a great day.